Okay, just a quick one. I just want to share with you guys so that you get to understand that it is slow and steady. All right. Um, I'll just show you probably the 3 trades done today. When I tell people it's slow, steady, growing. Okay, so today, this afternoon, this is part of the 1K exercise. Trying to make a $1,000 daily project. Now, Rome was not built in a day. It's gonna be slow, steady, moving slow, just like that. Now, so this is $33. Okay, 3 trades. You can see the time today. You can see that that's today's trade. So once you've done your 3 trades, leave the market. You've achieved your target. Leave the market. When you are trying to do more, you're going to blow yourself up. Now, if you are consistent with making profits, you will be fine. Once you are consistent, you're good. I'm seeing more opportunities to trade, but I'm not taking them. Why? You have to learn to control. So the problem with a lot of people is that when you tell them do 3, they feel like because they are under, okay, look at the timing that I use in doing 3 trades. From 12:57, right, to 12:59. That's 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, I've made $33, which is like about probably, let's say, 15,000 naira. So what do you expect? You start thinking of, oh boy, this thing fast, oh, let me do another session. That is where a lot of people get it wrong. You don't do that, because if you do, you are going to put yourself into a fix. You're going to put yourself into trouble. You're not going to be able to control yourself at the long run. So guys, what am I trying to say? Slow, steady, and you'll definitely get there. I would have loved to show you doing one trade or the other, but I don't have time to be doing all that. I just want to update you just so that you see, so that when I'm saying, oh, I'm up by so percentage, in fact, this is 10. No, I'm not doing any trade. I'm done for the day. So God bless you. See you in another video.